Every customer visit begins with meaningful discussions. During this trip, our Japanese customer met with the HAPLAST team to explore both paper core and coreless roll bag solutions and exchange ideas for their packaging needs. The visit then continued on the production floor, where daily operations, roll converting lines, film blowing, and printing processes were observed firsthand. Hands-on evaluation is always an important part of the journey. By checking appearance and testing seal strength directly, our customer gained a better understanding of product performance before reviewing additional block header bag options. With a monthly capacity of 5,000 tons, HAPLAST supports large-scale production while maintaining strict quality standards. International certifications and long-term cooperation with global partners further reflect our commitment to consistency and reliability. If you're looking for a reliable packaging partner, HAPLAST is ready to support your business with tailored solutions.